new channel from Planet Mia. New video, new fun time together. Hola a todos, buenas, ¿cómo están todos? Bienvenidos al canal de Planet Mia. Vamos a divertirnos jugando y aprender el día de hoy con... What's that?
Mega blocks.
Mega blocks! Yay! Let's go open the box. Ah, this is not a box. Bag. Vamos a abrir la bolsita. Oh. Wow! 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 Okay, like that. Whee! Let's go and learn the colors today. Vamos a aprender los colores hoy. Okay, we have blue in English. En español es azul. We have red in English. En español es rojo. Oh, this is my favorite color. Purple in English. En español es morado. We have yellow in English. En español, ¿cómo? Amarillo. Oh, look, this is an orange. Like an orange the fruit. But this is the color in English. Orange en español, naranja. O anaranjado, otras personas lo llaman diferente. Oh, what's that color? Green in English, Mia. En español, ¿cómo se dice en español? Verde.
Are you ready, Mia? Let's build a castle.
Yay! Mia, where are you, Mia?
Oh, there's Mia. Whoa, was the bag on your head?
Ah, it's so fun! You wanna build that? Okay, help me. Well done! Yay! And green one. Okay. Here. Yay! Oh, I can help you. Red. ¿Quieres el rojo? Orange. Anaranjado. Red. Rojo. Yay! This is the blue one, like your beautiful eyes. Es azul como tus hermosos ojos. Sí. Yes. And after, look. This is, I made for you. What do you want to do with that? ¿Qué quieres hacer con eso? Which color is that, Mia? Which color? Can you say yellow? Amarillo? You need to put that here. Wow. You know what? We need something here, under. Okay, wait. We can try. Yeah. Oh, yay! Vamos a atacar el castillo.
Is the crocodile attacking the castle? Oh! Wow!
It's a big castle.
Oh, look at this castle! That's magnificent, Mia!
Oh yes! You did it, Mia! Yeah, where you want to put that? Here! Okay! Mia! Ay!